Okay guys, so today I'm doing a quick, easy, simple dish. It's a tuna salad. So I use some elbow macaroni. I fried some pink salmon. You can get it in a can. This is a pink salmon with black pepper. So I fried up with a little sweet pepper. Now I'm gonna add some red onions, celery, and some pimento peppers. Right there. So I'm gonna stir it up by using a foil pan because it's easier for me, convenient. It's a simple dish. Something simple. So you boil the macaroni, you know, the elbow macaroni. You could use any kind of macaroni, it doesn't matter. So it's a simple tuna salad. So mix that up. See how lovely? Red onions, it's good for this. So, see? Now you can add the mayonnaise. I use the Hellmann's mayonnaise, so you can use that. So I add my mayonnaise. I need a lot of mayonnaise. See? Keep adding. So we need more mayonnaise. Keep adding. You can put a lot of mayonnaise, it's better. See, we have it there. So I'm making this tuna fish, plus I'm gonna go outside and do a barbecue. So just gonna eat with some jerk barbecue. And I'm doing some ribeye beef with it also. So I'm just not having this tuna salad alone, but it's an easy step. See, look at it. Cheers. See? So put it to cool. See, look at it there. Look at the goodness. Isn't that beautiful? See? I'm going to take the foil paper, wrap it, and leave it till I finish barbecuing. There you have it. Look at it. See, I put celery, scallions, red onions, and the tuna, pink salmon. And then you use some Hellmann's mayonnaise, little black pepper for taste. Boil the macaroni with salt and taste. And the celery, give it a good flavor, and these red onions. And the Hellmann's mayonnaise. See, there you have another delicious. It's really fast for it to take, like 15 minutes. It's a fast dish. You know, on a weekend or a snack. Okay guys, enjoy. So remember, you boil the macaroni, you fry the tuna fish with some black pepper, and then you put it in the pan with some mayonnaise, red onions, celery, scallion, and black pepper to taste, not a lot, and pimento pepper. The pimento pepper give it like a flavor. an island flavor. Okay guys, enjoy my video. I'm gonna bring you with the barbecue because I'm gonna be doing some barbecue outside. Okay, take care. Bye. Have a blessed day. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.